I've been in the IT industry for almost 14 years now. Somebody asks me, right, what about PIM? And it just takes me to one thought. We all come under, have situations in our life where we think that the road ends, there is a dead end, and I don't know what's the way forward. It leads to loss of confidence, loss of morale, loss of everything around us. But what if there is someone to hold your hand and walk you through this journey, right? Think about it. The difference of walking alone versus someone holding your hand and taking you through that difficult phase of your life. That's what Peak Impact Mentorship is all about. And I was lucky that I came across Bijay during the toughest phase of my life. I don't want to go back to those times thinking how my life was, but today all I know is I have someone who knows me more than what I am, someone who's ready to stand by me no matter what, and is always there encouraging me, pushing me forward to achieve my goals. And not only that, fulfilling my aspirations, but Bijay sees something more beyond that what I can see. And that's what is helping me live my life to a bigger, fuller dream of mine. Thank you.